everyone, let's solve today's POTD of Leetcode, which is string compression third. Uh, it's a medium mark question, but it's an easy question, so let's understand the question first. Given a string word, compress it using the following algorithm. Okay, we have given a word, string word, and we have to compress it, and these are the steps given to us. These steps begin with an empty string comp. Okay, while word is not empty, while I have some words in the given string word, use the following operations. Remove a maximum length prefix of word made of a single character C, repeating at most nine times. Okay, so from the word, take a character which is like a repeating character and should not be repeating more than 9 times. It can be repeating less times than 9, but it should not be repeating more than 9 times. And then append the length of the prefix followed by C to comp, and then append that. Like if we get that repeating string of character in the word, then append that into my comp string and return the comp string. So let's understand the question with the help of the example given to us. In the first example, the word given to us is A, B, C, D, E. Here we have to compress it, and the compression, how we can compress it according to the question. First we have to write the frequency of the word and then that word itself, the frequency of the word and then that word itself, the frequency and then that word itself, like this. So here every word is appearing one time, so we have just make it compressed string as 1a, 1b, 1c, 1d, 1e. In the second example we have a string like this, too many times a and then bb. So according to the algorithm which is given to here in the question, what how we'll do is that we'll count the number of times we have a. If we reach 9, it means this is one, like this is one part, so I'll write 9a. And if I have more a's than 9, like if I have more words than 9, I'll again start my counting and then write its frequency and the character. So here I have 13 a's, so for that I write 9a and then 5a. If I have more than 9 a's, again I would have wrote 9a and then the remaining a's. So like this we have to do, and then we have 2b's, so I've just written 2b. So this is how I have to compress this string in this question. So it's a simple simulation question. We have to do exactly what they've asked in the question and we'll be able to solve this question. So let's start coding. First, as they have asked us to maintain a string comp in which we'll store the compressed string which we have to return, and let's find out the size of the string given to us which we can use in the question, which we can use in the solution to solve our answer. And then let's have a counter I which will help us to traverse in the string world. Now while my I is smaller than n, like I am inside the word only, while it is this, let's have a count 0 which will help me to count the words, and let's have a character ch which is word of I where I am at. So I'll check for its presence while my count is smaller than 9. Why I'm taking smaller than 9? Because I'm starting from 0, so it will be smaller than 9. And the word of I is equal to the character. If it is, then increment your count and also increment your index. Like I have to check for all the elements. Like first I'll be at the position index 1 and then 2, then 3, then 4 and 5. So till I'm getting the same number, till my character is equal to the word of I, I'll just increment my count and also move forward. And if this condition satisfies, then just add the frequency first. So frequency is the count which I'm taking, but the count is an integer and my comp is a string. So first I'll change that number to the string using the inbuilt function to string count, and then add the character also. and in last just return the compressed string which we get, and this will give me the desired answer. So let's run our code now. Okay, it's not n, it's actually the size. Yeah, everything fine? Yes, now let's run it. Okay, it's running perfectly fine, and then now just submit our solution and then look for the space and time complexity. Okay, so now let's understand the time complexity. So the time complexity for this solution will be, what we are doing is that we are just traversing in our whole string word. So the time complexity will be the size of the word, which is big of size, and the space complexity will be uh, this, like the size of the comp, which is let's say k, so big of k, and it is asked in the question, so we have to use this size. So yeah, this is a space and time complexity. Thank you so much for watching.